The Central Board of Secondary Education had cancelled Class 10 examinations and deferred Class 12 papers, while uncertainty persists regarding CBSE Class 12 exam dates. There is also not enough clarity on when Class 10 results will be announced. It is to be noted that the board had already cancelled Class 10 exams and students will be promoted based on internal assessment. A similar demand is also being made by a section of people and persons related to academia for Class 12 students. Earlier, CBSE Class 12 board exams were postponed, and it was said that any decision would be taken in June about conducting the exams after consultation with various stakeholders. If media reports are to be believed, CBSE Class 12 exam won't be conducted before July or August. Students are already running a Twitter campaign to cancel CBSE Class 12 board exams 2021. Hashtag cancel 12th board exams 2021 and other related hashtags are trending too, asking authorities concerned to cancel the CBSE 12th board exam. Education experts largely feel that it would be very difficult to conduct Class 12 exams in June, and holding them in later months do not make much sense. Some are also of the view that there should be a plan B in case exams could not be held in June or July. Meanwhile, as far as CBSE board 10th result are concerned, the Delhi government on Wednesday recommended the Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE to once again review the class 10th board result release timetable. It said that because many of its teachers are on COVID-19 vaccination duty, it is difficult to prepare the 10th board result on time. As per DNA, which cited an agency report, the government in a letter to CBSE has cited the increasing number of COVID-19 cases in the national capital and the lockdown imposed till May 10. CBSE has said that for class 10th students, schools will have to submit marks of students by June 11 and the result will be declared by June 20. To this, the Delhi government said, keeping in mind the current situation of the pandemic, the applicable lockdown in the state, the development of teachers in many places, and other things, the board officials should review the result timetable again. Meanwhile, class 10 students will be class 10 students will be promoted based on the marks scored by the candidate in different tests or exams conducted by the school in the course of the year. As per the policy of the board, 20 marks are allotted to internal assessment and 80 marks for the year-end board exams. Thank you.